Well, today we're doing stuff, and I was trying to push over these wild cherry trees that's in my pasture before the springtime, and they usually push over pretty easy, but this one, and it's happened to me before, so I was kind of expecting it. The root ball came up, root picked up in front of the tractor, and I forgot I had the backhoe on, and so the backhoe dug in the ground, and so I'm just sitting here spinning wheels. So plan A is to cut these roots here, and if that doesn't work, I will end up having to take the winch on the truck and pull it off. So I'll let you know how it goes. Probably going to get a lecture for this once it hits YouTube. So we'll see how it goes. Plan A. So this is what happened. The root ball came up with the tree, and this piece right here got up underneath the tractor, lifted it up. So I cut the tree to take the tension off of the root ball, and was able to use the bucket to push myself back a little bit, and the tractor's fine. It just got up under the frame and lifted it up. So I'll get this cleaned up and we'll keep moving. My dad told me one time, son, that tractor is not a tank. And I agree with him. But since I don't have a tank, this will have to do. Talk to you later.